2014 Honda Odyssey EXL 8-passenger van. Dark gray metallic paint. Aluminum sport alloy wheels with good hand-cooked tires. Tinted windows. Rear bumper protector. Stow and go third row seating. Thaw weather floor mat. Power tailgate. Power sliding second row doors. Nice light gray leather interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Lane departure warning. Heated front seats. Large touchscreen. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth. Steering wheel controls. Cruise. Auto headlights. Just over 153,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us.